Work as we know it has changed. We've moved from closed-door offices where we used to be able to get away and get work done, to open-plan offices, and even worse now that we're starting to work from home. People tend to interrupt us, but if it's not only people, it's digital distractions. Emails, phone calls, going to Facebook, YouTube, all of these mean that it becomes very difficult to concentrate and get deep work done. I've always been fascinated in making things, 3D printing, and electronics, and I combined this with the ability to pull together data. I made myself a small device with a bright, clear display that sat on my desk to not only keep my time, but I realized that people walked up to it and saw it as a do not disturb indicator when I was trying to focus. And I thought, hey, this is a problem that lots of people have. So that's how TimeChi was formed. People have tried lots of different methods to become more productive. Lots of them tend to be apps that are on your phone or a computer. The problem is you get a little bit of apathy and tend to lose them in the background. The nice thing about TimeChi is because it's a physical device, it's always ready. And we've built a lot of psychology into it so that when you press the button, it's got a nice satisfying click which creates an endorphin rush. It's like a game show buzzer, so you feel like you're winning when you're trying to be productive. That makes you not only use it more often, but create good habits. We've created a statistics dashboard that makes TimeChi like a Fitbit for your productivity. This not only tells you when you've started, finished, and if you've incompleted a focus cycle, but also lets you tag what you've done and give a rating of how well you feel that you've done.
So TimeChi is for so many different people. We've already mentioned open plan offices and people needing to get deep work done in a career sense. But of course, students have to spend hours studying on end. And of course, there's always the quantified self people who want to track everything they can. It's a Fitbit for productivity. And as an engineer and software developer, we're quite cliched in being quite precious with our focus and don't like being disturbed at all, as we are trying to grapple with large abstract concepts all held in our head. So we get someone distracting us, it's all gone. You may be familiar with some reactions you might get when you're disturbing an engineer in deep focus. So that's one of the reasons that I instantly saw the value in TimeChi myself. It's interesting to see how other people use it and tailor it for their own needs.
The power of TimeChi is actually helping people figure out how they use their time and how to use it better. People have become acutely aware of how good or bad they are with their own productivity. And distractions are one of the worst things for killing productivity. And we not only help people figure out how they're being distracted, but stop them from being distracted that allows them to get deep work done. The old adage is that hardware is hard, but it's becoming easier. But one of the main problems that we faced was trying to figure out how, as a small team, we could actually create a piece of hardware that could be mass manufactured for everyone. And in the meantime, we actually happened to go through a global pandemic, which didn't really help. But luckily for us, we managed to do a lot of our meetings with manufacturers and suppliers prior to the world being shut down.
Along with TimeChi helping create that physical space that you need to work and making that conscious decision to make this a workspace, the idea of time boxing also helps you get into that routine, and that, along with the physical aspect of the device, helps you build up that good habit by putting yourself in a routine that you're comfortable with. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes.
We've been working really hard in the background to make sure that this product is great. We've been taking feedback from our beta customers to make sure that we put the features and requests that people want into our product. We've also made our connections with suppliers and manufacturers, and we just need your help to get that final push to get this out to everyone.
With COVID-19, consumption of masks exploded. People start facing both economical and environmental challenges. With our unique expertise in this specific field, we came up with a solution. Meet the Blossom Mask Bag. Blossom Mask Bag is a practical and portable device which by heat destroys viruses and bacteria that do not survive at high temperatures. Powered by a simple USB cord, it can be plugged on a wide range of power sources, from your computer to your car. Blossom Mask Bag can decontaminate reusable cloth masks and disposable masks. Its efficiency has been tested and validated by a certified and independent laboratory. Being able to decontaminate so easily your own masks is a money saver and an aid to limit our impact on the environment. You can safely store the mask between use.
This exclusive product is the result of a collaboration between Totem Tech, a design office specialized in electronics with experience in heating products, and Blossom, which develops and markets products focusing on well-being. We are an international, multi-skilled, experienced team, and we need you to be complete and make the world a safer place.
C'est tout simple, c'est vraiment pratique, ça prend pas de place et je vous conseille fortement.
Très bon produit que je conseille à tout le monde.
Damit spart ihr nämlich nicht nur Geld, sondern tut auch gleichzeitig was Gutes für die Umwelt.
Una cantidad importante de dinero y aparte hace muy bien para el planeta. Blossom.
Thank you to Blossom Masks for their new invention.
This is Ultra, the latest helmet from Lumos, the best smart LED helmet you can buy. Ultra will simplify your life, protect your head, and even help prevent accidents. Best of all, it's designed with affordability in mind, so that a Lumos helmet can finally be accessible to everyone. The truth is that bike-mounted lights don't always do enough to make you visible to drivers. Like us, you're probably also tired of your lights getting lost or stolen, and drivers not seeing, recognizing, or responding to your hand signals. That's why Ultra comes integrated with 3 LED modules, giving you full 360-degree coverage, ensuring you're seen by motorists from all angles, and drastically improving your chances of avoiding a crash. There are also turn signals that you can activate easily while riding using the included remote or an Apple Watch. The helmet is sealed and water resistant, so you can ride with it anytime, anywhere, rain or shine. It's smart, so you can use our app to track your rides, check the battery, and personalize your helmet with custom blinking patterns. And of course, Ultra offers serious protection for your head. It passes rigorous safety standards with an A-star rating and is also available with the MIPS brain protection system as an optional upgrade. Over the years, we've received a ton of feedback and feature requests from our awesome community of Lumos helmet riders. We are excited that we were able to incorporate many of those requests into Ultra. You asked for a visor? We got a visor. You asked for larger and smaller sizes. Ultra will now come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and extra large for a comfortable fit for the whole family. You asked for a standard charging port. Ultra will feature a USB-C port, making recharging faster and easier than ever. We've also optimized battery life so that Ultra can last for up to 10 hours on a single charge. But the biggest request we've gotten is whether we can make our helmets more affordable. A good-looking, high-quality helmet could easily cost over $100. Add a good set of front and back lights, and that's another $100. Ultra will cost less than either. The Lumos Ultra is the perfect helmet for your bike commute, your training ride, your e-bike, or the family ride with the kids. Ultra has you covered.
The design, just look at it. It's amazing. I love it.
Für mich der schönste Helm auf dem Markt aktuell.
Il est extrêmement léger par rapport au modèle précédent, ce qui sur des utilisations sur des longues distances est quand même très appréciable.
The airflow is amazing and it felt really good during the ride.
Seriously, the lightness? I don't know how you did it with all the electronics and everything in it. It's beautiful.
You also don't have to worry about forgetting your lights when you go out, so that's super handy.
I'd really recommend this, and I'll definitely be buying it myself.
Just get one. It's amazing.
We've won some pretty cool awards, been featured on Oprah's Favorite Things, became the first helmet to ever be sold at the Apple Store, sold and shipped over 100,000 of our helmets to riders all around the world, and garnered hundreds of amazing reviews from customers who have loved their Lumos helmet. But what's most fulfilling is seeing our helmets actually make an impact, helping people stay safe and in many instances, saving lives. Safety is everyone's right. So we've made it our mission to make our life-saving tech available to as many cyclists as possible. That's why we've packed all our helmet making experience and user feedback into making Ultra our best and most affordable helmet yet. Imagine a world where every cyclist has access to protective gear that makes them as visible as possible to everyone on the road. With your help, we can make that a reality. Join us.